Guys, what's up?
CX.
I'm with Indo.
Hey, what's going on, brothers?
Brothers. Anyways, we're going to do a stupid challenge video for you guys today. So we're going to do Search and Destroy. But we're only using, and I don't know what he's using. I'm not going to tell him what I'm using. This is my loadout. We're going to play 4 rounds. And we either can only use pistols or shotguns. Obviously, I have Combat Axe, which we talked about. That's fine. But, yeah. We're only going to do pistol and shotgun for this 4 games. And obviously, it's not going to be full games. It's just going to be the highlights from the 4. So, Indo, I hope you have some good highlights.
Vaginas. Coming.
Oh, wait, where'd he go? Oh, what? 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 How'd he get behind us?
Dude, my knife, like, grazed his ear.
Oh, shit. No. No. God, it's not a 1 pump? Oh, Indo, you got one. Good shit. Let's go. Oh. You got the heady, too. Damn. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, you got this. 1v1. 2v1.
I've been melting people today.
Oh, come on. Okay, I got this. Our guy doesn't have this.
CX.
Behind you! Oh. Oh, dude, I thought.
Did she have a stroke?
Oh. Oh, come on. God, dude, I'm so bad. He's 1 shot.
Ah! I almost hit him.
You got this, Indo. You got this. Yes. Okay, Indo. 3v3. Can you clutch it
Where's
up?
my knife?
I
I
don't
just
know.
want my knife, and I'll leave you alone.
Oh, let's go. Oh, teammate, no. Don't take out the kills.
Yeah, teammate, just plant the bomb like a good little boy. Oh,
Oh,
wait, what?
that was an enemy? Oh, no.
Wait,
Oh.
why is his name Blue? Why would they? Okay, this has turned from a funny video to
Oh, no.
questionnaire, Q&A. I want to know why my opponent's name is Blue.
I mean, to be
I
fair.
need to know.
Oh, let's go. Come on, Truman. Oh, dude, it's time to clutch up. FaZe.
This is all you.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
God, dude. Why does it seem like every time I record with you, you always try to F up my intro? First with Fortnite, now with this?
Are you recording? You got games on your phone?
Make sure to like and subscribe for free iPhone. iPhone X.
Twitch.tv/INDOHOEE, Twitch.tv/INDOHOEE, Twitch.tv/
I've never gotten a W in Fortnite either. What's a Fortnite win?
Chicken dinner.
That's not Fortnite. I'm first round revolver. Get ready for this, okay? We're gonna win this. We're gonna.
Pretty sure chicken dinner is from Fortnite.
I thought it was crowns. Like you get a crown.
No, that's PUBG.
And
Yeah.
okay, and Royal Victories is H1, right?
Dude, that's not even a. You just made that up.
Oh, let's go! Let's go! Woo!
I tried to throw a knife at him. He's on the bomb. You said you can't use a fucking revolver. You hear that? You see that? He's cheating. 100%. Yeah, I lied. He's defusing.
Oh!
Oh, he's not. You're God.
Yes, let's go, dude! I
You're right, I detonated the bomb.
Oh, 1 shot. Oh, daddy. There's 2 on A. You got this? That is not. Wait, what is that? Is that a shotgun? Oh, do it to him. Oh. Oh! What? You just got schmooped.
What?
You just got schmooped on, dude. I don't think you're ready for this. Rip.
Yeah, they're all here.
Why you lied to me? This 2A.
Oh my god, there's 2 mid.
Oh no.
Bomb has been planted. These guys are so bad. Jesus. This shotgun
No!
sucks.
No, please! Jeez, I can't slide around the freaking thing. We lose people, and now it's a rage fucking video.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm sorry. This is me stupid and hitting a wall. Can't slide. Get smooped on. I got smooped on. It's all up to you.
Oh, I was so close to hitting him with the battle axe.
When you pick a pistol only, you just have your fists out. You're ready to fucking fight, like you said in the Walmart parking lot. You're just hands out. No.
He's on you.
Oh my god. Why do you have to... Oh, the reload takes so long. Lordy. You got this, Indo. 1v1. You're so loud.
Oh my god, even crouching I sound like a fucking monster.
Oh.
What did he get there?
This dude has tracker on.
This guy just called me trash can and I'm using a pistol.
No, god, dude, I'm so bad.
Tingle.
And
no, I choked. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, that wasn't even a choke. That was just bad.
What about that?
That was pretty good. No, you turned me on right there. A bit though. Get this double collat into a one shot. Do it.
There's 2 buddies over here.
Hit him with it. Oh. Go balls deep. Balls to the wall. Oh! No! Oh! Oh my god. I'm a
I watched it and he slid as soon as...
Oof. No.
Ah!
Ah! Oh, get smooped!
Like...
Get smooped! Oh, dude, we gotta go for the battle axe.
I know, I have 2.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh, let's go! I didn't even see... I didn't even see him, like... He just kind of flopped. Oh, yes! Why does it only... It's only stuck to your face. What?
Yeah, that's it. There it is. Call the police. Call the police.
God, why don't you just get off my PP and let me get some good clippies? You know what I'm saying?
No.
Oh, okay. No! I can't slide! What just happened?
I was just giving people wins.
What just happened?
We're just helping our fellow we're just helping the community out, alright? People need W's, we're here to give it to them.
My PlayStation just...
think of us as like the Call of Duty Santa Claus, okay?
I think my PlayStation just turned itself off. Everything just went dark.
Oh.
What? Okay.